What's going on, guys? Angelo here, coming to you with another video. Today I'm going to be doing another model on the car, and I'm going to be installing these LED light bulbs by BEAMTECH onto my car. They have up to 10,000 lumens. I'll leave them all in the link description below, but I hope you all enjoyed the video. Alright, so let me go ahead and open up the package. We'll go ahead and open up the trunk as well, and I'll show you what they look like really quick. They look really nice. I just opened them not too long ago, but I still want to show you all like what the unboxing experience is going to be like. Alright, so here's what they look like. As you see, I have my gloves on now. Basically, just open up that strap right there, lift up the lid. What's going to be inside is you're going to have a little mini instruction manual, as you see here. It's actually pretty easy to follow, and here's what the LED lights look like. They actually are IP65 water resistant, so I wanted to check these out. I saw them on Amazon. They didn't have too many reviews, but they did have basically all 5-star reviews. So from what I know, they work pretty well. They're very industrial. They have this nice design to it. Even comes with this fan, as you see here. Really cool. I can't wait to try these out. It even has this nylon braiding, as I was talking about earlier. Really nice. Just take these little tabs off. We'll go ahead and install this thing on the car. It literally doesn't take no time at all. So here we go. Just as a quick reminder, these are 9012 LED headlights, so make sure you check the right model for your car. But this is going to be for a Toyota RAV4 2018, so it should fit right in. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is put up the front of your hood, as you see that I did right here. Then just come to your left or right side, depending on which way you want to go first. And it's going to be right in this corner spot over here. All you got to do is turn left and then pull out. That's it. And to take this off, you're going to click on this strip right here and push back, and it should pop right out just like that. This is going to be the old halogen bulb, as you see here. The connector should be the same. This is one by Philips. Now we're going to go ahead and put in the new one. So we'll set that aside, grab this one. You can tell it definitely looks a little more advanced. And then we're going to snap it into this place right here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and snap this one on. Shouldn't take no time at all. It should snap right in. And sure enough, it does. Snaps right in. And even it gives you a little bit of extra room. And you're basically just going to go the same route and turn right, though, this time when you're going in. All right, so as you can see, it is closer up now. And I just put it in. It should lock right in place. And I'll go ahead and turn it to lock it in. All right, so it's turned in all the way. I'll go ahead and turn on the car really quick and show you all the difference between this LED one that I just installed and then the halogen one on this side. I'll go ahead and wipe it off because it is early morning right now. And then I'll come back to you guys at nighttime and show you the full-on difference with low beams, high beams, and that way you'll be able to see everything. All right, so now here is the new LED lights, up to 10,000 lumens. As you can see, there's already a noticeable difference just during the daytime. And here is just regular old halogen bulbs. They look pretty bad. They're not bright at all. I just don't really like these ones. I really wanted LEDs on the car in the first place. This really makes the car pop now. And these are bright. These are supposed to be bright white. So the other ones that I was going to buy, which were by like Farron, I think. I'll leave those in the link of description below if you want like a cooler tone white light. But I really wanted the bright light one. I'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And that'll conclude the video. And just to let you know, the right side or your right headlight might be a little bit harder to put in than your left one. And I think it's mainly just because the left one's a little bit easier to get to, but the right one is a little bit harder and takes a little bit more work, but you should be able to do it. It shouldn't take much effort at all. We're gonna do the same thing. Turn it to the left, pull it out. And there you have it. That's the light for it. As you see right there, we'll go ahead and sit it into the pod. It is a little warm because I just turned it on. Now we'll go ahead and install the connector over here. It snaps in place. You'll hear it click. We'll go ahead and put it in. Hopefully this video was helpful so far. The last thing to do for this installation is just closing the hood of your car, and after that you're done. But after that, I'll show you all what the lights look like, and that'll be the end of the video. Alrighty, finally got the LEDs on the car. They look amazing. I think they're a really nice touch to the car. Nice bright white LED headlights. I'll show you all what they look like at night. All right, so this is the lights. Right now, these are just daytime running lights with the halogen bulbs right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the ones with full blast, and then I'll show you the high beams after that. And then I'll show you comparison once the LED lights are in. So you'll see those probably like a next day after type of thing. So those are the regular lights that you see there. And now we'll go ahead and turn the high beams on. They're already pretty bright, as you can see. They look pretty bright, but we'll turn high beams on really fast. And as you can see, they're super bright. But I feel like these LEDs that I'm gonna put in the car tomorrow, they're gonna be extremely brighter than the halogen bulbs that you're seeing now, because those ones that I just bought have 10,000 lumens, as you kind of saw prior from me talking earlier. All right, so check out the difference. These are the LEDs. It's the same day tonight though, and man, they look amazing. These are just the daytime runnings, by the way. They're already super bright. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the full-on brightness ones. So here we go. And now you can see that's how bright they are. They got even brighter. That's crazy how bright it is. And then last but not least, again, these are up to 10,000 lumens. I think this is honestly the best deal. They were around probably like $33 after tax with shipping and everything included, which I thought it was a good deal. I think it's on sale right now. So like I said, I'll leave it in the link description below. Here's high beams really quick. Look at that. That's just crazy. I cannot wait to drive on the road at night now and be able to see. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I hope this was really helpful. And if it was, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Let me know what you think I should do to the car next for the mod. And if you want to join the O Squad, like I said, it is free. All you have to do is click that subscribe button. And thanks for watching once again. Till next time, peace out.